Hey everyone, Ken and the Data Monkey back once again, and in this Monkey Shorts video we're going to build on what we had in last week's video on creating linked fact tables. Now we're going to look at creating disconnected fact tables inside your Power Pivot model, and specifically ones that don't throw a relationship maybe needed error. That's the big thing that I want to get through here. So in last week's episode, I actually showed you here, we were looking at our budget and sales table, and we've got them showing as proper fact tables here. But I also know a lot of people that actually prefer to have a single measure table. It's not my style, but if it's yours, that's all cool. So the easiest way that I know of to create one of these things is to actually go and jump into the Power Query Editor. So on your regular data menu, if you go to Get Data and go to Launch Power Query Editor, that will jump you right inside here, not doing anything else at this point in time. But if we go to the Home tab, you'll find there's an option here to enter data. And this will allow us to create a new table inside Power Query. So I'm going to give this just a column name here. I'm going to call it measures. And I'm going to go and call my table underscore measures. Really important for the table name that it be underscore measures, because measures is a reserved word. You cannot call your table measures. Okay? The actual data itself can be completely empty. Doesn't really matter. So we're just going to go and say OK. That will create my little table down here. I'm going to move it up to my data model folder to keep things organized. And then I'm going to do a close and load to. And I'm just going to go and load this table to the data model. So there we go. It's going to go and do its load. That's fantastic. And now I'm just going to quickly hop over to my Power Pivot tab. And I'm going to go to my measures and manage measures here. And I'm going to go and edit the location that I'm storing my sales table here. Instead of storing it on sales, I'm going to put it on my measures table and say OK. And I'm going to do the same thing with my budget. So I'm going to put everything on my measures table and say OK and close. And at that point, I'm hoping that everything should be good. Let's go and take a look at my pivot table. Oh no, I've got a problem. Relationships may be needed. Well, this probably makes sense because normally when we're working with a model, there's relationships that are filtering things. But the other thing you'll notice is that my measures table doesn't have the measures icon. So check this out. If we hop into Power Pivot, we go to Diagram View, and we hide every unaggregated column, hide from table or from the model, and we go back, notice that it gets the measure icon, and when the measure icon is on the table, it automatically suppresses Power Pivot from giving that warning message about any of the measures that are stored on that table. So you can make that method or message go away permanently. It's a good thing to know. So there you go. That's how you set up a disconnected fact table. Thank you for watching this episode of Monkey Shorts. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click on the Skillwave logo on the bottom left in order to subscribe to our channel. Or if you'd like to see more videos in the series, click on the playlist tile on the right. And if you'd like to get more comprehensive training, you should definitely check out our website at skillwave.training.